Ever wonder why you get nervous before exams, even though your grandma was the one hiding in bomb shelters during a war? Or why you might struggle with weight, even though you never faced famine, but your granddad did? Turns out your DNA is a bit of a time machine. Here's the deal. Your DNA sequence, the A's, T's, C's, and G's, that's pretty fixed. But how do those genes switch on and off? That's flexible. That's epigenetics. And the plot twist? Life experiences like famine, stress, or trauma can leave chemical bookmarks on DNA. And some of those bookmarks can actually get passed down. Which means, in a strange way, your grandparents' life choices and struggles are whispering inside your cells. Take Sweden's Överkalix Study. Researchers found that if your grandfather had a childhood of abundance, think feast after feast, his grandsons had a higher risk of diabetes and shorter lifespans. Too many meatballs for grandpa, higher medical bills for you. Thanks, Granddad. Or the Dutch hunger winter during World War II. Babies conceived during famine showed lasting changes in metabolism, and those changes carried forward to their children too. Basically, grandma skipped meals, and decades later, your body still thinks food is scarce. And it's not just famine. Trauma leaves marks too. Studies with descendants of war survivors, even Syrian refugees today, show that grandchildren can carry epigenetic scars of stress, sometimes even signs of accelerated aging. Imagine inheriting wrinkles before your time because grandma had too much stress. Not fair, but scientifically fascinating. So how does this work? Tiny chemical tags called methyl groups stick to your DNA. They don't rewrite the code. They just act like highlighters, turning genes up or down. It's like grandma left sticky notes all over your genetic script, saying, be extra cautious with stress, or store more fat, winter might come. Now here's the kicker. Scientists are still debating just how far this time machine runs. Animal studies show clear multi-generational effects. In humans, the evidence is strong but messy. Hard to separate biology from culture after all. Grandma can pass down trauma and terrible casserole recipes. So the next time you blame yourself for stress eating, bad sleep, or even your personality quirks, remember it might not just be you. It could be echoes of famine, stress, or survival choices made generations before. You're not just carrying DNA, you're carrying history. Your body's basically a family scrapbook, written in code, annotated by grandma. Thanks for watching all the way through. Your time means a lot. If you want to join me for more stories like this, hit subscribe and we'll keep learning together. If this video added a little value to your day, subscribing is a simple way to keep the conversation going.